The Indian government and media once more are spreading baseless propaganda against Pakistan, accusing it of being involved in drug smuggling and terrorism. The heroin found at Narendra Modi's friend Gautam Adani's Mundra port is falsely being associated with Pakistan, despite the fact that India is increasingly becoming the hub of the global drug trade. The real problem is the failure, corruption and double standards of the Indian system. According to a 2019 report by the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, over 2.6 crore people in India are addicted to drugs like cocaine, heroin and hashish. Apart from illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Indian states including Punjab, Manipur and Himachal Pradesh are the worst affected areas, which are also the hotbeds of terrorism and unrest. Occupied Jammu and Kashmir in particular is being targeted under the state patronage, while Indian Army supplies alcohol and drugs to youth from its camps. The million-dollar question is, how come so many drugs are getting into India's ports if the country has such a robust security system? According to the Indian government, the heroin worth of Indian 21,000 crore seized from the Mundra port was shipped through Bandar Abbas in Iran. How did this shipment get in if India's customs and port security are so effective? It is evident that this is not a Pakistani scheme, rather the outcome of grassroots corruption, bribery and internal collusion.